Good, Harsh. You're getting your weight forward to turn that ski. Excellent. Now, here's where I want you to be. I want you to be a little more forward, so your upper body's in the white box, and your tush is where the purple arrow is, and that you're bending your ankles a little more forward so your knees and your whole lower body are flexed toward that green line. So that puts you in that perfect position we talked about. Nice wedge. Look down the hill at a target where you want to go. As you begin turning your skis, point your chest to the target. The purpose of this is to keep your upper body stable and quiet while moving your lower body to turn the skis. Can you see that your upper body is moving with the skis as opposed to looking more down the fall line, down where your target is? As you move across the hill, straighten your legs just slightly to help flatten your old downhill ski. It will make it easier to switch to the new downhill ski. As you get through the turn, flex your legs just a little. There's the things to practice, Harsh. Good job. Great first day. Very exciting. Glad to see you do it.